This is Tuck with Tuck GC. We're in Alexandria, Virginia. This is one of the neighborhoods where we've done probably half a dozen plus jobs, and this is a brand new driveway installation. So there was nothing here, and we came in and got all the proper permitting and bonding and got this job installed. Shout out to Tony Nave over at VDOT. Inspector came out, met us, walked the job, everything, answered some questions for us and helped us get this job in. So thanks, Tony. We appreciate you. Let's take a closer look at what we have going on here. So first things first, let's touch on the apron. This is the CG-9B, just poured, so the concrete's still curing, obviously. Crew just left, but you're going to notice some of the details here. Always expansion joint where the edge of the apron meets the old curb and gutter system. We got the nice radius here, no lip, clean flow line. We've isolated the apron the whole way around with expansion joint material, and then also expansion joint material up the center. We have the 2% grade here on the pedestrian access route, and then kicking down through the utility strip. So nice job here. On some of these smaller properties, since we don't have the frontage, they let us do the CG-9B radius, which is just this little 2-foot radius with a 9D. It would have been sweeping way over there, and that obviously wouldn't work, and over there into that neighbor's property. So we were able to get this put in, and it looks beautiful. Let's go through some of the details of the construction here now outside of the apron. Now this property had a retaining wall that actually came way up here into the front. This was built up pretty high, a lot of dirt here, and then it fell off really drastically. I mean, it was steep. You could see, 2-3 feet of that retaining wall over there, and then in the backyard, real big fall off. That's kind of why they have this deck here. So we were able to take some of this dirt, move it over here, grade this really nicely. So this is a really nice flat area now. And in that back corner, it's built up almost 3 feet. So there's a footing system there. There's a monolithic pour, rebar, all that good stuff. Brought in like 15 tons of gravel. I mean, this is just really done properly with the right buildup, structurally sound. And this is exactly what the client wanted. They wanted 2 nice big parking spaces for off-street parking and still having a walkway going into the house, and we were able to accomplish all their goals. One more little VDOT detail, had some issues here with these 2 panels, cracking and stuff, so we swapped them out. Same issue down there, so everything's good on the VDOT end. Let's take a look up top. We always talk about concrete finish, and it's try to do the best job you can. And I really think my guys, nobody's perfect. Concrete's a weird animal to work with, but you can see we got a pretty nice finish on this. It looks fantastic. We were able to tie in the walkways to the house. They had a similar configuration here before with the walkway, so we just redid it with new concrete to match. And hopefully you like what you see here. Job took 2 days. 1 day demo and prep, 1 day pour. And here's one final parting shot of the project. You can see this is a beautiful parking area, and this is going to really fit their home nicely and give them the access that they wanted. Down the road, they're probably going to rent the property, and this is just going to make it more desirable for renters to have all this off-street parking. Right now, there's not many cars here. It's the middle of the day, but at night, this is a pretty tight area for parking. All right, thanks for watching. Please give us a call for any of your concrete needs, especially the VDOT aprons. Have a good day.